Have you ever walked past someone who looked completely ordinary, only to later discover they owned multiple businesses, had investments across continents, and could buy your entire city block if they wanted, yet they never bragged about it? Here's the twist. The wealthiest people you'll ever meet rarely look wealthy. They blend in, they drive average cars, they wear simple clothes, they talk less, observe more, and never need validation. Why? Because they've mastered a truth society still refuses to accept. Real wealth doesn't shout, it compounds silently. This video will show you 10 rare truths behind why the smartest rich people intentionally look average. These are not just habits, they're mental frameworks that protect, multiply, and sustain wealth. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's begin. Number 1. They hide their power in simplicity. The smartest rich understand one rule: visibility invites vulnerability. The more people know about your success, the more they expect, question, and target it. That's why true wealth prefers camouflage. Instead of signaling status through designer wear or luxury cars, they express power through control, discipline, and liquidity. They don't want people to see how much they have. They want people to underestimate them. Their wardrobe is a tool of strategy, not status. A simple look creates no noise. It helps them blend into any room without bias. It's financial stealth mode. When everyone's showing off their salary, the quiet investor is expanding equity in private holdings, acquiring dividend-paying ETFs, or stacking rental property income. Live below attention level. Make simplicity your invisibility cloak. Because every time you avoid signaling wealth, you're protecting your compounding assets from noise. Quiet doesn't mean small, it means focused. Number 2, they invest in systems, not symbols. Most people buy things that look expensive. The rich buy systems that produce income. A luxury watch tells time. A well-structured portfolio tells a story, one of patience, compounding, and ownership. That's why the smartest rich spend their energy building self-sustaining systems that make money even when they sleep. They'd rather set up automated dividend reinvestments than upgrade to the newest gadget. They'd rather build a side business with recurring cash flow than chase a viral moment. Systems give freedom. Symbols just give impressions. The world sees them as minimalists, but behind that minimalism lies a financial engine that never stops running. Whether it's automated ETF investments, a small equity stake in an online venture, or a rental property with consistent cash flow, every system multiplies quietly in the background. So instead of buying things that depreciate, create frameworks that appreciate. Replace emotional purchases with structured plans. It's not about denying pleasure. It's about delaying it until your systems can fund it effortlessly. Number 3, they play the underestimation game. The wealthiest people love being underestimated. They use it as an invisible weapon. When you look ordinary, people don't compete with you. They open up to you. You become the observer, not the performer. A plain appearance gives access. It opens doors that arrogance closes. Smart investors know that when people think you're average, you can move faster, negotiate better, and make deals quietly. They don't post their stock market wins. They don't flex their cash flow. Because those who overshare often lose leverage. Every photo of luxury creates expectations. Every expectation invites pressure. They'd rather fly economy and buy a controlling stake in the airline. They'd rather live unnoticed and build equity in silence. Looking average is their form of psychological judo, redirecting attention away from themselves while their assets grow stronger. For you, this means stop craving attention, start collecting information. The less you reveal, the more power you keep. People underestimate silence. That's why it's priceless. When no one's watching, you can make your smartest moves. That's how quiet people end up running empires. Number 4, they prioritize privacy over popularity. Popularity is a debt. Privacy is equity. The average person spends their best hours curating a life for others to like. The rich spend theirs constructing systems others depend on. They understand that exposure invites imitation, and imitation dilutes advantage. Privacy keeps strategy pure. It protects your next move. The quiet millionaires aren't antisocial. They're just selectively visible. Their value doesn't come from who knows them, but from what they control. While others are measuring likes, they're measuring cash flow ratios, portfolio yields, and risk-adjusted returns. Their dopamine isn't from attention, it's from accuracy. If you want to think like them, adopt this. Guard your information. Move silently. Don't announce what you're building. Execute it. Every time you share prematurely, you drain the magic of momentum. Number 5. They buy time, not toys. For the average person, money buys distraction. For the smart rich, money buys time freedom. They look average because their spending is invisible. It's on buying leverage, delegation, and focus. They hire efficiency, not luxury. Instead of a new sports car, they invest in an assistant who buys them back 10 hours a week. Instead of a lavish vacation, they invest in automation tools that handle income streams while they rest. Their purchases are strategic. Every dollar must return time or capital. You can copy this mindset by asking one question before every expense. Does this make me freer or more dependent? Freedom is the ultimate luxury. It's not loud, it's calm, it's structured, it's scalable. The quiet rich spend less on showing they're free and more on becoming free. A toy depreciates the moment you buy it. But time, that's an appreciating asset when used right. Buy hours, not hype. Number 6, they let compounding do the talking. You'll never hear truly smart investors brag about their wins. They know compounding needs silence to work. The reason they look average is because their focus isn't on instant gratification. It's on exponential growth. Their excitement comes from spreadsheets, not selfies. Each small reinvestment, each quarterly dividend, each index fund contribution, all invisible today, powerful tomorrow. They trust math more than marketing. This quiet obsession creates unstoppable results over time. By staying humble and consistent, they let compounding perform its magic behind the scenes. The same rule applies to life. If you stay consistent, small progress compounds into massive change. Number 7, they understand attention inflation. Attention is today's most overvalued currency. Everyone's trading it, few are profiting from it. The rich understand that once you crave attention, you start making bad financial moves just to sustain it. That's why they stay boring. They refuse to join the race of appearances. Looking average protects them from attention inflation, that invisible tax that drains peace and multiplies stress. Every luxury flex demands maintenance. Every display demands defense. So they stay simple, blending in while silently scaling. When others chase attention online, they're acquiring quiet assets offline. They know attention fades fast, but ownership compounds forever. Number 8, they focus on ownership, not appearance. Wealth isn't measured by what you show. It's measured by what you control. The richest people often own shares, real estate, equity, and royalties that few even know exist. They could look ordinary, but they quietly hold leverage over cash-producing assets. They've mastered the art of separating ownership from appearance. They'd rather own 1% of something great than 100% of something fragile. They're less concerned with being known, more focused on being irreplaceable. You can apply this. Before you spend, ask, will I still own this tomorrow? Ownership builds stability, appearance builds pressure. True wealth is silent influence, not visible indulgence. You can't photograph peace of mind, but you can feel it. And those who look average live with that peace every day. Number 9, they redefine status through competence. For the average person, status comes from symbols. For the rich, status comes from skill and control. They don't chase luxury logos because their competence is their brand. Their calm confidence is their silent flex. Whether it's analyzing cash flow, negotiating equity deals, or understanding portfolio dynamics, their mastery speaks louder than any car ever could. They've learned that expertise multiplies faster than exposure. The more competent you become, the less you need to perform. If you want to join that mindset, stop trying to look successful and start being useful. Learn something others ignore. Master what others outsource. Because competence attracts opportunities long before cash does. In a room full of show-offs, the quiet expert owns the room. Number 10, they build wealth that outlives them. The smartest rich don't dress to impress. They build to endure. They're architects of legacy, creating systems that keep earning long after they're gone. They don't care about temporary admiration. They care about permanent impact. Their goal isn't to look rich now. It's to create structures, trusts, investments, businesses that sustain generations. Looking average allows them to focus entirely on what lasts. Every decision compounds into something timeless: passive income streams, diversified portfolios, philanthropic foundations. They live simply, but their systems are grand. Their modest lifestyle funds massive purpose. And that's the secret. They appear ordinary, Not because they can't afford more, but because they've already bought freedom. So if you feel unseen while you build, remember, every empire begins in silence. Every investor once looked ordinary. Don't chase the spotlight. Build the system. Grow your equity. Protect your peace. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. If you're curious about 8 sacrifices the top 1% made to become wealthy, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.